Feeling stuck? Like your dreams are gathering dust in the back of your mind? Do you ever wonder why some people seem to effortlessly achieve success, while others struggle to get off the starting line? It's not about luck or talent. It's about the power of your mind. Dr. Maxwell Maltz, in his book, Psycho-Cybernetics, reveals your ability to program your mind for success, shattering your self-imposed limitations and unleashing your full potential. Think of replacing doubt with confidence and fear with unwavering determination. Psycho-Cybernetics isn't about empty promises. It's a roadmap to the champion within. Are you ready to rewrite the script of your life? Then join Dr. Maltz on this journey of self-discovery. Learn how to harness the power of your mind and transform your limiting beliefs into unstoppable forces for success. The choice is yours. Will you stay stuck in the shadows? Or will you step into the spotlight and achieve your dreams? That feeling of being stuck, weighed down by self-doubt and limiting beliefs, it's a universal struggle, isn't it? We all have that voice in our heads whispering negativity, telling us we're not good enough, smart enough, or strong enough to achieve our dreams. I know I did. For years, I felt like I was trapped in a cycle of mediocrity, my goals gathering dust on a mental shelf. But then, I stumbled upon Dr. Maxwell Maltz's revolutionary work, Psycho-Cybernetics, and it was a game changer. This book isn't about empty motivational platitudes or fleeting self-help trends. It's about understanding the immense power of your mind and how it can be programmed, just like a computer, for success. Dr. Maltz reveals the truth. Our self-image is the key that unlocks our potential. By replacing limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts and positive affirmations, we can shatter those invisible shackles that hold us back. My personal story is a testament to the power of Psycho-Cybernetics. Once I embraced its principles, I began to see a shift. The self-doubt started to fade, replaced by a newfound confidence. My actions became fueled by a belief in myself and my abilities. And guess what? The goals that once seemed impossible started to become a reality. If you're ready to break free from the prison of your own mind and unlock the champion within, then Psycho-Cybernetics is your guide. It's a roadmap to self-discovery, a manual for rewiring your thoughts for success, and ultimately, a path to achieving the life you've always dreamed of. Dr. Maxwell Maltz, not just a renowned plastic surgeon, but a pioneer of the mind-body connection. He wasn't satisfied with merely fixing physical flaws. His passion lay in unlocking the immense potential within each of us. Enter Psycho-Cybernetics, his groundbreaking book that serves as a beacon of hope for anyone seeking to reprogram their minds for success. Your mind is a sophisticated guidance system, akin to the autopilot in an airplane. But what if your autopilot is malfunctioning, leading you away from your dreams? Dr. Maltz's Psycho-Cybernetics acts as a recalibration tool, resetting your internal compass to steer you towards your desired destination, be it success in your career, a fulfilling personal life, or a sense of inner peace. Psycho-Cybernetics delves deeper than simply setting goals. It's about understanding the immense power of your subconscious mind and its influence on your self-image, beliefs, and ultimately your actions. Dr. Maltz reveals a profound truth. You are the architect of your own destiny. By reprogramming your mental, cybernetic mechanism, you gain the power to break free from limitations and build the life you desire. Dr. Maltz's research isn't just theoretical. It provides practical tools for transformation. He emphasizes the importance of visualization, vividly picturing yourself achieving your goals. This mental rehearsal trains your brain for success, programming it for the outcome you desire. Self-affirmation is another cornerstone of Psycho-Cybernetics. By replacing negative self-talk with empowering statements, you begin to reshape your self-image, fostering a belief in your abilities. Finally, goal setting combined with a clear action plan provides a roadmap for your journey. By setting achievable and specific goals, you break down your aspirations into manageable steps, propelling you towards your desired destination. Through visualization, self-affirmation, and goal setting, Psycho-Cybernetics empowers you to unlock your boundless potential and achieve the extraordinary. Dr. Maltz equips you with the tools to rewrite the script of your life, transforming self-doubt into unwavering confidence and ultimately, manifesting the success you've always dreamed of. The impact of psycho-cybernetics extends far beyond simply achieving goals. It's a philosophy that can revolutionize the very fabric of your life. Here's how. Shattering limitations. Our self-image often acts as an invisible barrier, restricting our potential and holding us back. Psycho-Cybernetics equips you with the tools to dismantle these limitations. By reshaping your self-image and replacing negative beliefs with empowering truths, you create the space for extraordinary achievement. Confidence on steroids. Self-doubt is a dream killer. Psycho-Cybernetics empowers you to silence the inner critic and cultivate unshakable confidence. Through techniques like self-affirmation, you build a belief system that supports your goals and fuels your actions. Unleashing personal growth. Personal growth often stalls because of a fundamental misunderstanding. We believe we're stuck with the hand we're dealt. Psycho-Cybernetics dismantles this myth. It reveals the incredible plasticity of the human mind and empowers you to continuously learn, grow, and evolve into the best version of yourself. Success redefined. Psycho-Cybernetics doesn't just focus on external markers of success. It equips you to define success on your own terms, aligning your goals with your values and aspirations. This intrinsic motivation leads to a deeper sense of fulfillment and a life lived with purpose. The possibilities are limitless. Creating a life where self-doubt is replaced with unwavering confidence, where limitations dissolve into boundless potential. This isn't just a dream. It's the reality waiting for you on the other side of Psycho-Cybernetics. Are you ready to take charge of your mind and steer it towards a future of limitless possibilities? Ditch the autopilot that's keeping you stuck. Embrace the principles of Psycho-Cybernetics and unlock the incredible power within you. It's time to rewrite the script of your life and claim the success, happiness, and fulfillment you deserve. Are you tired of feeling stuck on repeat, with the same old limitations holding you back? Do you dream of a life where self-doubt is a distant memory and your potential burns bright? Then ditch the negative self-talk and step off the autopilot. Dr. Maxwell Maltz's Psycho-Cybernetics isn't your grandpa's self-help book. It's a mind-bending revolution that rewrites the script of your success. Create a life where you shatter limitations, build confidence on steroids, and unleash unstoppable personal growth. Think defining success on your own terms, fueled by a purpose that ignites your soul. This isn't some pipe dream. It's the Psycho-Cybernetics effect waiting to explode in your life. Are you ready to silence the inner critic and unlock the champion within? Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and grab your copy of Psycho-Cybernetics today. This book isn't about getting lucky. It's about getting unbelievably successful. The power lies within you. Don't wait. Unleash it now. And that's it, people. The awe-inspiring world of Psycho-Cybernetics, brought to life by the wisdom of Dr. Maxwell Maltz. I hope you found this journey as enlightening and empowering as I did. Remember, by harnessing the principles of Psycho-Cybernetics, we can sculpt a life of unparalleled success and fulfillment. So, if you're as captivated by Psycho-Cybernetics as I am, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-expanding content, and let us know in the comments below how Psycho-Cybernetics has transformed your mindset. Together, let's embark on a journey of self-discovery and incredible achievement. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, take care and stay driven towards your dreams.